In Liberia, gender and child abuse are critical issues that affect countless lives. The scars of civil conflict and cultural norms have contributed to a challenging environment where many suffer in silence. By bringing these issues to light, we can work together to foster a more supportive society for all Liberians.
My name is Nala Knuckles, and I'm a volunteer of Voice of the Voiceless. Domestic violence and substance abuse are common issues, often worsened by the trauma of past conflicts. Traditional gender roles can also spread abusive behaviors, particularly against women and children. This issue is really an important one: gender and child abuse. We need to talk about these issues openly and support each other to make a difference. I say no to violence against children.
Abuse in Liberia manifests in various forms, affecting individuals regardless of gender or age. Gender abuse encompasses domestic violence, sexual harassment, and gender-based discrimination.
On Africa! Africa!
My name is Endurance Time, and I'm a volunteer of Voice of the Voiceless. High level of poverty, unemployment, and limited access to education are significant risk factors. These conditions can increase in stress and the likelihood of abusive behavior within families. If you have ever been through tough times, always remember to have people out there who are willing to help. There are organizations like the Voice of the Voiceless who are waiting to support you. So don't you be afraid, because your well-being matters to us. Once again, I'm Endurance Time. I stand to support Children's Life Support Initiative, and I say no to early sex.
Born Africa! Africa is our home. I'm from Africa. And you are from Africa. I'm from Africa.
Child abuse includes physical harm, emotional neglect, sexual exploitation, and inadequate provision of basic needs. Recognizing the signs of abuse is the first step in providing help. In Liberia, cultural factors and the aftermath of conflict can sometimes mask these signs, making it crucial to understand the specific indicators of abuse.
Hi, I'm Satina B. Collins, and I'm a volunteer of Voice of the Voiceless. Sexual abuse is a serious issue in Liberia, affecting women, men, and children. Incidents often go unreported due to fear of stigma, retaliation, or lack of trust in the support system. Reports indicate that a significant percentage of women have experienced sexual violence, highlighting the urgent needs for widespread support system. Emotional abuse might not leave visible marks, but it hurts just as much as many young people in Liberia deals with harsh words and constant criticism. If you or your friends are feeling down or stressed because of how you are treated, it's okay to talk to someone you trust. I say no to sexual and emotional abuse.
Support and resources are crucial for those affected by abuse. Organizations such as the Voice of the Voiceless are working tirelessly to provide education and awareness raising through the Children's Support Initiative. We must unite to tackle gender and child abuse in our communities. Understanding and awareness are the first steps towards creating a safe environment for our children and families.
Hi, my name is Jophelia F. Quay, and I'm a volunteer of the Voice of the Voiceless. In Liberia,
Physical abuse can often occur in homes and schools, where corporal punishment is sometimes used as a disciplinary measure. This can include hitting, beating, or other forms of physical aggression. Physical abuse is a big issue, and it is something we need to address. Many of us have seen or encountered physical punishment that goes beyond what's acceptable. Over 40% of kids in Liberia face this. Let's stand up against it and promote positive ways to handle conflicts. I say no to child abuse.
I'm from Africa, and you are from Africa. Let us reconcile. One not the answer. I'm from Africa.
My name is Cindy Robert. I'm a volunteer of Voice of the Voiceless. Neglect, particularly of children, is a prevalent issue worsened by economic hardship. This includes failing to provide adequate food, healthcare, and education, often due to poverty or family breakdown. Neglect is when kids don't get the basic things they need, like food, school supplies, or medical care. In some part of Liberia, this is a real issue. As young people, we can support each other by checking in and helping out where we can.
The root causes of abuse in Liberia are complex and multifaceted, influenced by a combination of social, economic, and cultural factors. Addressing gender and child abuse in Liberia requires a comprehensive approach that includes legal framework, community engagement, education, and support services. By implementing effective mitigation strategies, we can protect vulnerable populations and foster a safer society.
In joy and gladness, with our hearts united, we shout the free.